My team and I came together to create a solution that will solve the problems of both these players in the industry. We plan on doing this by creating a construction, networking, and e-tendering solution that will ultimately offer a more cost-efficient, time-effective, and transparent ways of doing business. On our platform, developers will be able to search suppliers worldwide and post tenders for the exact material that they need for their next project. Suppliers will be able to browse projects and find new developers that can turn into potential clients. They'll also be able to bid on the tenders that they feel they can fulfill and ultimately grow their sales. Our tendering process is a simple three-step process. Developers post a tender for the material they need, suppliers submit their bids, and developers evaluate them and choose the one that best suits their needs. Let's go through a simple example. Let us say that we're looking to redevelop the old city headquarters, and the developer in charge of this project is looking for a new supplier for wood flooring. In this case, he would choose the tender type, whether it's a material or a service, choose the category it falls into, in this case wood, enter the quantity that's required, when the bids need to be submitted by, and the address of where the project is taking place. Once it's been submitted, it lands on our tenders page. This is where suppliers can search for tenders, filter through the ones that matter to them, and choose to bid on any they feel that they can fulfill. Once all the bids are in, developers can evaluate them and choose the one that best suits their needs. Developers and suppliers can also use our platform to engage with new potential trade partners. They can browse through custom-specific filters, find the trade partner that best suits their needs, and engage with them. The construction market is a $9.4 trillion market worldwide. In Lebanon alone, we're talking about an $8.7 billion market. We plan on capitalizing on this market by offering a supplier-based subscription model. We're going to offer a free, basic, and subscription plan, launching with the free plan and adapting the basic and professional one as we gain market traction and adoption. Our validation experience has led us to some real-world savings. In one case, we connected a local developer with an international supplier in China, saving him over 30% on piping that he required for his project. We also connected a local developer with a local supplier here in Lebanon, which he wasn't aware of, and saved him over $3,000 on a water filtration system that he required. And the competition that's looking to serve this problem is quite large. We have everything from paid memberships and annual trade fairs all the way to large marketplaces like Alibaba. And although our competition aims to fulfill one or two of the metrics that matter to this industry, we promise to deliver on all of them. More recently, a potential competitor, ProTenders, has just come online. And although ProTenders and Buildhub aim to solve a similar problem, the approach to take this on are very different. We at Buildhub are offering a free service to developers that will allow them to post an unlimited number of tenders in a very simple tendering process, while they're focusing on more large-scale developers. The membership will cost up to $6,000, and even that is quite limited to the number of tenders that can be posted. We're looking to launch from a grassroots approach. We want to have as many suppliers on board on our platform prior to launching. And although they have quite a lot of developers on board, we've seen very few suppliers that can cater to any of the tenders that are posted. Now, to make this happen, we're looking to raise $200,000 in funding. I'd be glad to go over our financial model and introduce you to the rest of this wonderful team we've put together to turn this vision into reality. We're looking forward to working with you on making this happen. Thank you.